Hello everyone, welcome to CATIA tutorial. In this lecture, I am going to explain what are the options are available in insert menu. Most of the insert tools are alternative tools to the ones found in the workbench toolbars such as sketched based features and all other options listed in the same section of the pull down menu. The other tools are alternative tools to ones found in the bottom toolbar such as Axis System, Knowledge Templates and the other options. Now let us brief discussing each and every tool in insert menu. In this first one is body. This tool adds an additional body onto the specification tree. This tool is covered in more detail in the part design and assembly design workbench lessons. Next one is annotations. This tool allows you to create 3D annotations, that means comments or notes. You can attach the notes to a specified entity. The annotation can be hidden and edited. You can make the annotation stay normal to the screen so you can read it as you rotate the part. This is a helpful design review tool. Next one is annotations, that means dimensions. By using this option you can give the dimension to the parts. This tool allows you to create 3D constraints. If sketch based constraints control the actual profile, the 3D constraint will show up as a reference constraint, that means dimension. For example, I am choosing this option constraints constraint. I am selecting this edge and drag to below. A reference constraint has a set of brackets around it. Next option is Sketcher. This tool allows you to create a sketch. It is a duplicate of the Sketcher tool found on the side toolbar. Side toolbar. This tool is covered in more detail in the Sketcher workbench lesson. Next option is Axis System. This tool is duplicate of the Axis System tool found in the Tools toolbar. This tool is covered in more detail in the Surface Workbench lesson. Next option is Sketch Based Features. It includes it having pad, pocket, drafted, filleted pad, drafted filleted pocket, shaft, groove, hole, rib, slot, stiffener, multi-section solid, removed multi-section solid, multi-pad, multi-pocket, solid combine. This toolbar is a duplicate of the sketched-based features found in the Pod Design workbench. This tool is covered in more detail in the Sketch and Pod Design workbench lessons. Next option is dress up features. It having edge fillet, variable fillet, shoulder fillet, face fillet, tri-tangent fillet, chamfer, draft, reflect line, variable angle draft, shell, thickness, thread or tap, remove face, replace face. These are the options are available in dress up features. This tool is a duplicate of the toolbar found in the Pod Design workbench. This tool is covered in more detail in the Pod Design workbench lessons. Next one is surface based features. This tool is a duplicate of the tool found in the surfacing workbenches. This tool is covered in more detail in the wireframe and surface design workbench lessons. Next one is transformation features. It having translation, rotation, symmetry, axis to axis, mirror, rectangular pattern, circular pattern, user pattern, scaling, affinity. This toolbar is a duplicate of the toolbar found in the Pod Design workbench. This tool is covered in more detail in the Pod Design workbench lessons. Next option is Boolean operations. It having assembly, add, remove, intersect, union trim, remove lump. This toolbar does not by default show up on any workbenches. When a Boolean operation between two pod bodies is required, you can use this particular method of accessing the Boolean operations. Another method is to customize the pod design workbench so the Boolean operation toolbar is included. The customization method is covered in a later lesson. Next option is knowledge templates. This toolbar is a duplicate of the product knowledge template toolbar located in the bottom of the toolbar. Next one is instantiate from document. This toolbar is a duplicate of the product knowledge template toolbar located in the bottom toolbar. Next, last one is instantiate from selection. This toolbar is a duplicate of the product knowledge template toolbar located in the bottom toolbar. This is the knowledge knowledge toolbar. In next lecture, I will going to explain what are the options are available in tools menu. The options are formula, image, macro, utility, show, hide, customize, visualization filters, options, standards, conferencing, publication. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.